Pushes and Pulls by Kathleen Corrigan. What is moving in this picture? That's amazing. A toy car on a track can move. The wheels help the car move. Push a car, it will move. Push a sled, push hard, the sled goes fast. Pull a sled, it is hard work. Make the wagon move. Pull the wagon, push the wagon. Who is pushing? Who is pulling? Explain how to play tug of war. How does one side win? A toy car on a track pushes against the sides of the track. That makes the car change direction. What can make a toy car on a track go faster? What can make it go slower?